Guys, I've been in cryptocurrency for a while now. Even built my own charity coin from the ground up. Got the $100,000 contract and everything. Now is the time to buy in before the bull market. The news was calling Solana coin and altcoin a scam. So I bought in, and unfortunately, I needed to buy a car a couple of months ago, so I had to take out my money from that coin. But $3,000, if I had kept that in when I bought in 4 months ago, or excuse me, 3 months ago, that $3,000 would be $12,000 now in just 3 months. I did a forex, a Solana coin. Now, there's a lot of other coins, guys, that are about to shoot up. Right, get your altcoins now. I recommend Coinbase or Crypto.com. They're both reputable apps that have been around for a lot of cycles. But guys, if you want to get money, put in everything now and just wait until next year. Things are going to keep going.